how to make a cucumber salad which is full of vitamins and water. So I have cut my cucumber in thinly sliced. You can cut in the way you like. Just put it in the container you want to serve directly. It will save your time. And for some colors I have added these grapes. Now goes the dressing. Some peanut for the crunch, red chilies, our pink salt, flaxseed oil from SoPure. This is really very aromatic and very healthy. Sesame oil for the extra health benefit, full of calcium, and tamarind chutney from SoPure. It is made with highly beneficial ingredients. And now if you just shake, and after some time you will find your salad is ready to be served. You can send to your husband, to your children in the same container and wrap it with a hanky like this. That will show that you have made them. So enjoy.